We're here today at Stoveyard Barbecue HQ, and today we're going to be doing some steak piadinas. Non-improved recipe, so that means it's very quick to assemble and put together. 675 grams of type O flour. I've already got that weighed out in the food mixer. And to that we're going to be adding 375 milliliters of milk and 80 grams of lard. Now that's all already in this, and I've actually microwaved it just to take the cool off. I'm going to add 25 grams of salt and 3 grams of baking powder. Surf it onto a work surface, and then we'll wrap it in cling film, and you want to leave that for about half an hour. So the dough is sitting there resting, and we're just going to do a wee red onion pickle, very simple, just to liven up the flavours. Okay, so basically you want to be slicing your onions fairly thinly. Piadina there, the dough we've made, we'll do about 6. We're looking at about a quarter of an onion per person per serving. So. Now into the red onion then, we're going to put a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of granulated sugar. And then about a tablespoon of sherry vinegar. And then we want to give them a really good crunch up, just a good mulch up, and get everything starting to break down. Worthwhile using the best steak you can get, to be honest with it. This particular one is from an Angus beef, and it's been aged for just under 100 days. So pizza oven's at about 350, pan's in there heating up, and we'll season our steak. So very simple: salt, pepper, bit of olive oil, that's it, nothing else. Now I have cut most of the fat, in fact almost all of the fat off the steak. It's basically, we're going to be slicing it quite thinly later on, and we probably don't want to put too much in it. Lift the pan up, it's nice and hot now, and we'll just lay the steaks in it gently. So the beauty of doing the steaks in the pizza oven, obviously, is you're getting the heat from both sides simultaneously. It's good and hot, 350 degrees there. And it's just going to help the caramelization basically. So I'm taking these out now, and they've been in about 4, maybe 5 minutes. As you can see there, they're nice caramelization on them. If you turn them over there, you can see it's coming through there on the other side as well. So they're cooked really from both sides at the same time. Now we're just going to let them rest there for kind of 4 or 5 minutes while we make up the flatbread. So the flatbread, I've divided the dough into 6. This is one of them here. It's really simple. If anyone has issues with pizzas, none of that applies because it's just like pastry. So dunk it down, flatten it down, and then just roll it out. And essentially we just want to roll it out until it's about 3-4 mil thick, something like that. If you want to be fancy, you can then cut it out into a roundel afterwards. Rustic is fine. fork and stab it a few times, and it just stops them bubbling up, or maybe doesn't stop, helps them from bubbling up too much. Again, with this, you don't have to be fancy as you are with pizza. You can just stick it on and turf it in. Okay, so it's lifted out. It's about half cooked at this point. So what I'm going to do is just put some wee bits of blue cheese, Cambozola, any kind of soft brie type cheese. We're working this now. You can also use ricotta and so on. Basically whatever fruit you want. That's it coming out. So it should be sort of slightly browned. So you've got kind of brown spots, give you your flavour. The cheese has just started to melt. And onto that we're going to put some slices of the steak here. So you can cut the steak nice and thin against the grain, it keeps it. Good forkful of the pickle. And that is a Piadina. Oozy, cheesy, beefy goodness.
Spectacular. These look amazing.
Casper?
That was spectacular.